Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Luna Classic video update. Right, so Luna, just the same old story, continue on with the wicks. It's just the story of the wicks at the moment, and this is a coin I told you yesterday that is amazing just for a long-term hold, and I don't think that this coin is one of those coins you want to trade at the moment, because when you want to trade a coin, let me just give you a small tip in here. You want to actually make sure that you see at something known as the volatility of a coin. Okay, so Luna Classic makes this kind of volatility. If I actually show you farm as well, okay, you're gonna see such coins making wicks up, wicks up, wick up, wick up, wick up. It does make wicks and wicks and wicks and wicks. So if you want to short this coin, it probably is a very bad idea. You can see how bad of an idea shorting farm really is. This is more like a longing coin. Okay, this is a coin that you long to the upside, and if you look at Luna Classic, this is a bad candidate for longing the coin at the moment. Okay, this is a good candidate for shorting the coin, maybe because as much wicks as we have, as a matter of fact, it's not even good for longing either. It's just not good for trading, because you still have wicks up here as well. You still have wicks up here as well. You have wicks up here as well. So yeah, it doesn't really make it a good contender or good candidate, but it does make it good candidate, especially when you have that huge 99.99% drop from the all-time high, and you buy this. It's a good candidate, amazing candidate for the long-term holders. Even if you're looking for USDC, I do think USDC is one of the amazing gems that we have at the moment that can actually explode to the upside once to go back to $1. Now, my buyings are down here near 0.00845. I'm already 12x with this coin at the moment. It's really pretty decent. Now, talking about Luna Classic, the technical part of it, I'm just going to highlight the same thing that I talked in the last previous videos. It's the weekly. I keep saying about the weekly that this is the line that you want to see on the weekly. And it's pretty much doing exactly as I've been telling you, that it's going to make wicks to the downside. But by the end of the day, this is the closing you want to see, okay, above this line right there. That's a huge support. And guys, you might end up in the next few days actually coming up here. Okay, maybe tomorrow, today or tomorrow, who knows. But in my opinion, it's just a matter of time before we start to move higher. It's really close to start the rally to the upside, especially now Bitcoin is about to make a bull cross, and we're about to get the best ride of our life from Luna Classic once again. Just something like you saw here is about to happen here once again. So it's only maybe 2-3 weeks max. Okay, my prediction is the maximum waiting time is 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks, you're gonna get this shit getting started all together. The party is gonna start. We're gonna actually roll to the upside. Now, of course, this is not any financial advice, but that's just my own opinion and based on my experience and what I look at the chart right now. If the chart flips, we're gonna flip the side. If we actually come down and close below that line, then that's really bad. That's gonna be really bad. But the good thing is that you're really holding that line like a boss on the weekly time frame, and you're about to move higher, really higher. My price estimation is that you come up to 25,000, because this has been a long accumulation here down here. In my opinion, people are now accumulating the coin, and it seems like once the train leaves, it leaves so good, and you're going to go to 25,000, which is a fib retracement technical target, right? So that's it for today's update on Luna Classic. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.